the metro station chilling. Just went to IKEA. Some stuff. It's the metro station. It's pretty cool. So just went to IKEA and then back to Nanyang. It's been a nice journey. I finally don't have to sleep on my clothes. What a nice day today. Just going to my Mandarin class. Super nice and hot today. Not like October in Scotland.
So sad. Holy crap.
I just collected my student pass and it's really hot today. This is my student pass. Republic of Singapore. So I'm officially a student now. It's Tuesday at 12:24 and I might have some chicken McNuggets. Really nice today, look. This is a place called Lavender off the MRT. So it's the furthest I've ever been on the MRT. And cook it. Wow. This is like a, what's it called, a hawker center.
Blah blah like means is very similar to blah blah but not blah blah. Okay? We understand this.
These Benz, BMW, Shell, they've got all the big brands. So I might go buy myself a car since I'm on holiday. Look at these nice houses. Pretty cool. Discover the power of business athletes. Ford and Peugeot. Look, someone just bought a new car. Wish them luck. Peugeot. What's that? Mitsubishi. IKEA mission complete. What a lovely day at IKEA. Thank you IKEA for this lovely trip. A sunny hot day today, but hey, there's new homes coming your way. Today been like one of the hottest days I think I've been here so far. I enjoyed a nice ice cream at IKEA and I had to return some stuff and then pick up some stuff to hang my clothes. But there was this one guy, he took half an hour to return his stuff and you could tell the IKEA staff were just so tired and couldn't be bothered with him. And then at the end he was like, okay, thanks dude, and he gave him a fist bump and he walked away and the IKEA staff just started laughing. So next, I'm heading to the mall at Jurong on the MRT. That's the MRT track. So I'll be heading there. And it's pretty good in Singapore because not only does the sun shine a lot, but there's lots of rain. So they built all these big rain shelters. So they're planning to cover most walkways with rain shelters so people don't get caught up in the rain. So everywhere you walk, it's always sheltered. Which means why wait for the bus when you can walk for better health? that's a good message to send. Yeah, like look at this guy who's walking. He's doing good for the environment. So that's good. So wish me luck on my next MRT trip. Bye bye.